So let us discuss about CLOOK disk scheduling algorithm. So in order to discuss CLOOK disk scheduling algorithm, I have taken the same problem statement which you are seeing with respect to LOOK disk scheduling algorithm, right? Only one difference is we need to solve this problem using CLOOK scheduling algorithm instead of LOOK disk scheduling algorithm, right? Now, as we know that the first step is we need to arrange the cylinders in ascending order. So once I arrange the cylinders in ascending order, we get the following sequence. So let me draw the corresponding lines. And the question, it says that initially the disk head is at cylinder number 53. So let me draw the cylinder number 53, right? Now, in the question it says that the cylinders are numbered from 0 to 199. So let me draw the cylinders 0 and then 199, right? Now, in the question it says that disk head is initially at cylinder number 53. So let me mark the disk head which is present at cylinder number 53. In the question it says that the disk head is moving towards 199, right? So as disk head is moving towards 199, we are going to satisfy the corresponding request, right? Initially, I am going to satisfy the request for cylinder number 65. Next, I am going to satisfy the request for cylinder number 97. Next, I am going to satisfy the request for cylinder number 98. Next, I am going to satisfy the request for cylinder number 122. Next, I am going to satisfy the request for cylinder number 124. Next, I am going to satisfy the request for cylinder number 183. Right? So, once I satisfy the request up to 183, next I need to move in the reverse direction, right? So with respect to LOOK algorithm, what we have done, while moving in the reverse direction, we have satisfied the request, but that is not true in the case of CLOOK, right? So while moving in the reverse direction, we should not satisfy the request, right? While moving in the reverse direction, we should move up to cylinder number 14, not up to cylinder number 0. Is the most important thing. We should make a note of it. I repeat, while moving in the reverse direction, we should move up to cylinder number 14, not up to cylinder number 0, right? So now I moved up to cylinder number 14, right? So right now the disk head is at cylinder number 14, and from cylinder number 14 is going to move to cylinder number 37, right? So once all the requests has been satisfied, we need to find the total number of head movements, right? So in order to do that, we need to subtract 183 minus 53, 183 minus 14, and then 37 minus 14, right? I repeat, we need to do 183 minus 53, then 183 minus 14, and 37 minus 14. Once we do that, we'll get the corresponding answer, that is 338. I hope you understood this CLOOK disk scheduling algorithm. Thanks for watching. Thank you.